why did you kind of forsake the pleasure of hearing a ping every month end in your bank account, salary aa gayi, and instead take on the responsibility of arranging salaries for whatever number of employees that you have had in your firms?
I never thought like that. Actually, I thought, who will give me a job? I come from, my language was not right. I like Delhi. When I have grown up, I studied in Hindi. Okay, so it was always कि अच्छा जिसको इंग्लिश आती है उसकी नौकरी ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है. तो वो चीज इतना घर कर गया था कि यार नौकरी से ज्यादा तो अच्छा धंधा ही कर लो.
Okay, define dhanda. Define dhanda as a serious question. Is it about making money? Is it about building something? Because the reason I ask you this is the difference when I started out in my career, for example, was because capital was not available, Sujit. और ये एक serious question है, honestly. Today, capital is supposedly available more easily, but many more people are chasing for that startup capital. So define dhanda.
So in my mind, the dhanda for me is when you accelerated your learning in life, when you become more productive, and money happen. Am I right? Money is, I think that is just how you think about it. I think might be I can explain on hindsight, but always in my mind, when you do something impactful, money happens. That's was always my belief. But I think in the longevity, always aspire to be part of something creation, build something which can long for last. I think those things motivates a lot rather than money. That's how I think.
Okay, Sujit, good point about motivation, and I'm going to take this point forward. You know, in my career, professional career, I've met many people who have made it big in industry, entrepreneurs who started small. Some people had, their father's bank balance helping them. Others had other kinds of blessings. But I can clearly sense you are someone who is self-made. So I ask you these following two questions. The first question, is entrepreneurship in our blood? The reason I ask this question is that in our childhood, we were told, you are meant for a job, you belong to a particular area, particular kind of caste or creed, and you know, business is only for people from X part of the country. वो तो business family के हैं, तुम्हें कैसे business आएगी? Did you face that? और ये खून में है, or is it because of your education?
I'll call it because of our exposure, my exposure. Let's say. I think where I come from very small town in Bihar. Okay, where always I have seen my father. We come from a farmer's family.
Which town? Please name your town once so that we can all.
It's the Bhabua in Bihar. It's very near to Banaras.
Okay.
But in Bihar. My father was a lawyer, but we are a farmer's family. कि district में अच्छा lawyer भी होता है, but we have a land, we like proper farming.
Right.
So always it was aspiring to become a good service. When I have completed my engineering, people say that, hey, now you will get the good job. And that was my dream too, by the way.